Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a channel in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to delete or to manage your Slack channels, you will be needing to simply be the owner of channel or at least a moderator or administrator of this channel, and then you will be able to start manage it and you can delete it. And now we can see the exact steps to do it. So now we will be needing to go to the channel that we want to delete. So basically first we will be needing to find it in the first place, and to do so we can simply click on this more option or this button here and then go to channels. From there we will find the list of the channels that exist on our working space, and basically you will be able to find or to start filtering by channel type and by searching like for public or private channels, and then you can choose anyone that you want. So now let's just click on this channel, and from there we will find this 3 points icon, and then we click on it, and then we will be needing just to go to edit settings, and from there we will find like the button or the ability to delete this channel. So by clicking on delete this channel we will be able to permanently delete this channel from this working space. So now we can simply click on delete this channel, and from here you will be needing to confirm. So you can see that deleting this channel, it will be permanently deleted, and any files uploaded to this channel won't be removed. That means all the files will be remaining on the working space. So here we click on delete channel, and now let's just go click on more and go to the channels, and from there we will find that the channel has been deleted successfully. So thank you for watching and see you next time.